All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I'm going to be answering a question that a lot of people are starting to ask me, and I understand why you're asking me. Sometimes I'll do a review of something and I'll do it right at launch. Um, I'll get my pre-order in right away and everything will just flow right along, and I'll be on course with an unboxing the day of release, or like things like that. But with the S24 Ultra and the S24 lineup, period. First, I want to say that I did order. And then I went in and canceled my order. After I posted my video on telling you the best deals for the S24 Ultra, I decided to switch colors. Now, behind the scenes, I've been asking a lot of people to show me pictures of a color and show me pictures if you have this color, and that's what I've been doing. And so ultimately, I went in and I canceled my order with Samsung, and then I got bumped down the list a little bit. And then I lost the credits and everything that I could have gotten the $150 credit. And so that's what happened with that. And this is the reason that I haven't reviewed it yet. I don't have it physically yet. So I have all my cases, all my screen protectors, I have everything, but I ultimately canceled my original order to switch colors. And in the interim of doing so, lost my place in line technically to get it like really sooner. So then also I decided to switch where I purchased it from. I'm no longer buying directly from Samsung. I didn't want to trade in my S23 Ultra and face any kind of disappointments, because it's really not a big change. You can watch a person sell you on, oh, this is the ultimate. No, it's not that big of a change. I know how to put something side by side and look at it and find out if I'm going to like it or not. And that's ultimately what I did with the S24 Ultra, with my S23 Ultra. You can head over to a Samsung store if you have one. You can head over to a Best Buy store if you have one. You'll see these devices and you'll say, okay, the S24 Ultra appears to be a little bit wider. And because I knew based on the cases for the S23 Ultra that I did with the S24 Ultra, I can see that they don't fit. And, they changed the dimensions a little bit. So I was on the fence about that, but I decided to cancel my order with Samsung, and I ended up ordering with Google Fi because I didn't want to trade anything in. And I guess I didn't care about the $150 credits too much because I got my S24 Ultra for half off. So a lot of people were saying, oh, Jay, they're not offering half off at Google Fi. They are. That's over. At the recording of this video, you can no longer get it for half off. You can no longer get it for $650. The $650 was with the memory upgrade to 512 at no cost. And then the baseline version actually cost $1,300, folks. So that is where it comes out to half off. This is how I got my 512 gig for half off. I ordered it through my Google Fi. I've had Google Fi since it was initiated, and it was Project Fi or whatever it was before that too. That's when I joined with them. And if you're already with Google Fi, you were offered a situation where you can get the device for half off, which is $650. So out of pocket, I only paid basically $650 plus tax. So it came to $703 for my 512 gig S24 Ultra. Now, if I decide to go back in and buy something from Samsung, the deals just don't match Fi. Fi had the best deals. And so this time I decided to do it. I decided to just pay that full cost there, well, that half off price there, and it's totally worth the wait. Now, the bad part about that is it's a long wait. You won't see, recording this video, you won't see any videos from me through the entire month of February, unless my shipping date changes. Right now, my shipping date or delivery date is February 27th, folks. So if you're waiting for me to review the S24 Ultra, hang in there. I don't always have to be first on things too. I like to review things whenever I can get a hold of them, and I'm really transparent about that. I'm not going to sit on video and tell you anything else. This is the truth of what happened. Bought from Samsung, made a video for you guys, and thought, what a stupid move. I'm getting ready to cancel. I'm getting ready to pay half off. I don't screw the 150, and canceled the order with Samsung. Ordered through my Google Fi. Got it for $650 for the 512 gig. Originally canceled just to switch colors, and that happened. And now I have to wait. But until then, I don't think I'm going to get that much more of a better experience from the phone I'm recording with, which is the S23 Ultra. I will sit here. I can guarantee I'll sit here, do the same vlog here with the S24 Ultra, and you'll be able to reference this video and tons of other videos I've done with the S23 Ultra. I currently use the S23 Ultra as my main shooting camera for top-down shots. It was the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Retired those. And moved on to the S23 Ultra because I feel like it's just one of the best cameras in the game. It is great for recording in a studio setting with an external microphone. That's all I do, folks. That's all I do. So that is the reason I'm not reviewing the S24 Ultra right now, folks. It's just because I'm waiting for it to arrive. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you took advantage of those deals that I told you about through Google Fi if you were eligible. If you weren't eligible, you could still get it for half off. You just had to do the 24 months. I've been with them long enough and I'm already a customer, so they didn't offer me the 24-month thing. They offered me the half off price and I took it. I paid $703 and like 21 cents flat out. And I can't wait to show you my thoughts on and give you my thoughts on the S24 Ultra. Stay locked, folks.